It's Patrick at Pals. This is a transmission and transaxle out of a Corvette. This is an 03 Corvette with a 6-speed transmission, and we're changing the clutch in it. Lester, can you tell us what each of these components are on this unit?
Sure. This is what they call a torque tube. Connects to the engine up front where your clutch and stuff is up in here.
Okay.
Slides up in here. This is basically like what they call where your drive shaft would be.
Okay.
But it's all one unit now.
All right.
Here's your manual transmission, and then
Okay.
your differential.
Okay, now where is the clutch located in this?
Clutch is located up front here, right behind the engine.
Okay.
Now on a manual, on an automatic transmission, you wouldn't have this here. All you
Okay.
have is just a coupler here that mounts to the crankshaft and goes through the torque tube, and your automatic transmission would be back here.
Now where would the torque converter be
It
limited?
would be back here in the automatic transmission.
Okay, so we're going to change the clutch on this unit. So you had to drop out the torque tube and the whole assembly
The whole assembly just to get
so
to the
you could get to the front.
just to get to the clutch and flywheel up here.
And on a conventional car, you would simply drop the transmission down.
which would be right here.
Right.
But
And-
because the Corvette doesn't have a lot of leg room, to make the tunnel shorter or not as wide, they moved the transmission to the back of the car.
And that helps with weight distribution going around the track.
And stuff like that.
Gotcha. Gotcha. So we've got the clutch up front. Power is transferred from the clutch through the torque tube into the transmission,
and then your differential here.
and then the differential for the rear wheels.
Right.
Wow. If you've got a Corvette, bring it to Pals. See you soon.